Hello friends, welcome to Marketing Toolpicks. On this channel we share tutorials, reviews and comparison videos on the best AI and automation tools for digital marketing and content creation. Our goal is to help you make informed decisions so you can select the most suitable AI and automation tools for your digital marketing and content creation needs. Now let's dive into today's video. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert any URL into engaging video using Fliki's powerful AI features. To get started, click the link in the description below. This will take you to the Fliki homepage. Once you're there, click Start for free to begin. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click on the third tab labeled URL. Fliki's URL to video feature allows you to turn blog posts, product pages, or any other URLs into captivating videos with voiceovers. Embed these videos in your blog to enhance SEO or share them across social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to drive more engagement and traffic. Describe your video's purpose in the Prompt tab. Make an Instagram AD from this product page, highlighting key features, and end with a call to action to shop now. Paste the URL of your blog post or product page in the URL field. If it's a product page for Amazon or Airbnb, Fliki will detect it automatically. After selecting the length of the video, you can upload any reference materials if available. Click Next to proceed. Fliki will process your prompt, usually it takes a few seconds. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the aspect ratio based on your platform, 16:9. Landscape. Best for YouTube or desktop viewing 9:16. Portrait. Ideal for mobile platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok 1:1 square. Great for social media feeds. Once you're done selecting the template and ratio, click Next to continue to the customization stage. On the customization screen, you can further customize your video. Choose from over 80 languages. Select a dialect from more than 100 regional variations. Pick a tone of voice, define your video purpose, and select your target audience from the available options. These preferences help Fliki generate a voiceover script tailored to your audience and goals. Fliki will now process the AD script and generate a voiceover version. This usually takes a few seconds. Now, you'll be taken to the review screen. Fliki will process your script and generate a voiceover script based on the script you provided earlier. It usually takes a few seconds, and the generated script will appear just below the tab. You can review and edit the voiceover script to suit your needs. If you're not satisfied with it, simply click the Regenerate button to get a new version. Once you're happy with the script, click Next to proceed to the next step. Now let's move on to voiceover customization. You can generate voiceovers in multiple languages, multiple dialects, and genders, male or female. Choose voiceover from Standard Voiceover, Ultra Voiceover, or Studio Voiceover, each with different levels of realism. You can always preview the voices before selecting the one that fits your tone best. Finally, you can personalize your video by uploading your brand kit, including your brand name, company logo, and colors. Once everything is set, click Submit to generate your video. After clicking the Submit button, Fliki will start generating your video. This usually takes a few minutes. Once it's ready, the preview screen will appear. Click the play button to watch your generated video. Finally, to download your video, click the Download button. You'll be prompted to choose a resolution, 1080p, 720p, 480p, or 360 picoamperes. Format, MP4 or MOV. After selecting your preferred options, click Export to download the final video.
Start creating stunning AI videos from a script with Fliki. Simply click the link in the description below and follow the video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.